Hello, my name is Cody, and in this training video we'll be covering the initial setup process for the HubSpot integration. The goal here is to help you understand where you need to go and what you need to do to complete the setup itself. So let's jump in. Now to begin, we'll need to go to our company drop-down menu. That is going to be located up at the top right-hand corner of Construction Online. It'll either be your initials or a custom avatar if you have set that up. Then we'll go over into the integrations button here underneath account settings. And then you'll see the sales and CRM option for HubSpot. And all I have to do is toggle that on and it'll open up a secondary menu. Now the first thing you'll need to do is obviously put in your email and password to confirm which HubSpot account you're logging into. I've already done that as I've logged into my HubSpot account before. Then I can click on the company that I want to connect to. And then it's just going to confirm the information and kind of let you know what we're able to kind of push back and forth through this integration. I understand, and I'll connect the app. Once that is done, it'll open up our integration settings. You do have two different options here. You have the ability to allow Construction Online leads to be created from HubSpot contacts, as well as allowing for HubSpot contacts to be created from Construction Online leads. Once we have toggled however we want that to work, we can toggle on both if we want to be able to send contacts back and forth. The next thing, I'm going to skip over these checkboxes here and go to our lead status triggers. With HubSpot, you can set it up to where a contact can push and pull depending on which lead stage or lead status those contacts are currently in, whether or not we want it to be new, open, an open deal, attempted contact. These are custom fields in HubSpot, so it could be different from the ones I'm seeing here. Once we have those statuses or the triggers that we want to have going on, that's where we come back to our checkboxes here. Once a contact gets a certain lead status, we can have it automatically create that contact in the Construction Online leads if they don't exist. And if they do exist, we can have it update the Construction Online contact to match. Now, those options are also the same here if we're talking about from Construction Online to HubSpot. Our lead stages are just going to be slightly different as they're going to match what we have in Construction Online if they are different from what's in HubSpot. And then those automatic creation and update fields are also the same, just working in that different order. Now, once we're happy, we have the ability to finish our setup here. All this is going to ask us is, do we want to automatically apply those integration settings to the current existing contacts in HubSpot, as well as the currently existing contacts in Construction Online? I'm not going to automatically send contacts over. I'm going to do that later. So I'm just going to hit save. Once that is done, I can close this window and our integration is set up. Now, this wraps up our overview of the setup process for the HubSpot integration. You should now have a clear understanding of the process and can set up Construction Online integration in your own account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.